There was a very poor man. He went to the rabbi and appealed like this. Dear Rabbi, I live unhappily with my wife and 4 children in a small house. The house is so small that it is very inconvenient for my family to live. What should I do? The rabbi caressed his beard and said, Are you raising a goat? Yes, I'm raising it. Then from now on, raise the goat in your house. He went home and followed the rabbi's advice. Then the house became a mess. The next day, he went to the rabbi again. Dear Rabbi, I let the goat into my house, and the house became a mess. Really? Then are you raising chickens? Of course, I have several chickens. Then from now on, put all the chickens in your house. He went home looking puzzled and followed the rabbi's advice. Then the house became even more messed up. The next day, he went to the rabbi again. Dear Rabbi, I am in trouble. The cries of goats, chickens and children are driving me crazy. Goat and chicken poop accumulate all over the house, and it stinks. That's too bad. Then are you raising a cow? Did you say cow? Put and raise the cow in your house. You look like you don't want to do that. Don't you trust me? No. I will do as you are told. He who returned home followed the rabbi's advice again this time. Needless to say, the house was in more messed up, and the next day he visited the rabbi again. Dear Rabbi, do you have any grudge against me? There is no place in my house to put my feet now. It is really hard to live. It's so pity. Then from now on, put all the livestock in your house back to its original position. He came home and did as the rabbi said, and the next day he went to the rabbi and said, Dear Rabbi, thank you. In the meantime, I thought my house was too small, but now I know it's big enough for my family to live in, and I'm very happy. Thank you. This story tells us that depending on how you set the standard, you may feel happy or unhappy. Here's a quote from Noah benShea's book, Jacob's Ladder, Wisdom for the Heart's Ascent. If you want a little less, you're already rich.